Daniela, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the second part of the Say So dance, which is becoming very popular. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. So this is going to be mirrored, so it's easier for you to follow. And now let's just get into it. So the very first thing is, she says, let me check. So we're going to do this as if we were, I don't know, checking. And then we're going to go 1, then circle 2. Once again, check 1, circle 2. Once again, check 1, circle 2. And now we are going to do this. So to do that, we have to put, well, both of our hands are straight. We're going to bend our left leg. We're going to stand on that one. Our right leg is bent and our knee is looking to the right. And then we're going to go straighten our legs and down again. 1, 2, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. And the normal speed is going to look like this. That's it. So just practice it a couple times and you'll get it. And now, let's start from the very beginning. Check 1, circle 2, and 3. So that's going to be fast, remember. Now we are going to do cross, cross. Once again, cross, bend our right leg. Then we're going to stand on that one and cross and bend our left leg. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2. And now we're going to cross our arms, hands on our shoulders. Then we're going to uncross them, hands still on our shoulders, and then we're going to go up. Pretend here we have like a table or something, so we're going up like this. We're leaning on the table, we go up like this. So it's going to look like this. 1 and up. Once again, 1 and up. Once again, 1 and up. Okay, let's do it from the very beginning. Check 1, circle 2 and 3, cross, cross, 1, 2, up. And now we're going to do 2 circles with our hands. So first our right hand goes back and then left one. Once again, right, left. Once again, right, left. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. And then right after that, 1, 2. And when we do the circles, our other hand is down here straightened. And our hands are in fists. So after this, we're going to go 1 step backwards with our right leg. Then we're going back. So always when we do steps, we're going to bounce. So down, down, down. It's going to look like that. Once again, down, down, down. So first, right leg, both, left leg. And while we're doing that, our hands are like this in front of us, palms are looking to the ceiling. So we go up with our hands and down with our legs. Then we're going up, down. Once again, down, up, down. So let's do it from the very beginning. Check 1, circle 2 and 3, cross, cross, 1, 2, 3, circle, circle, bounce, bounce, bounce. And now we're going to do a wave with our hands, once again. So it's going to look like this, bounce, 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 wave. So if you don't know how to do the wave, basically in almost every tutorial I do, when there is a wave, I explain you how to do it. But if you don't know how to do it, I'm just going to show it to you because it's very easy to learn. So you're just going to do the same thing I'm doing right now, but with your hands in fists. Because for this dance, our hands have to be in fists in the wave. So first of all, we're going to do it by spots. So our hand goes down, elbow up, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, and hand. Once again, hand, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, and hand. And now we're going to do the same thing, but faster. Hand, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, and hand. Once again, hand, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, and hand. And now we're just gonna combine all of them and do them all together. So non-stop, like this, not by points, but like this. So just try it, and when you know how to do it on one side, try it with the other side, because probably you'll need it sometime. So let's just get back to the dance. So you're gonna go bounce, 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 wave. And when we do the wave, we're gonna put our legs together. So once again, wave. Let's start from the very beginning. Check 1, circle, 2, and 3. Cross, 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 and cross. Up, circle, circle, down, 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 wave. So now we're gonna do this. Just pretend like you're very tired and you do this, just like that. You can do either this as we were doing in the beginning, or you can do this and then flick your hand like that. However you want. So like this, and then at the very end, most people do something like this, or I prefer to just go like this. I don't know, you can do whatever pose you want at the very end, and we are done. So let's do it from the very beginning, 2 times, slowly, 1 fast, and we're done. So let's go. First of all, slowly. Are you ready? Check. 1, circle, 2, 3. Cross, 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 and cross. Up, circle, circle, down, down, down. Wave, 1. Flick, pose. So just do whatever you want at the very end. Once again, slowly, 1 fast, and that's it. So let's go. Check. 1, circle, 2, and 3. Cross, 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 and cross. Up, circle, circle, down, down, down. Wave, hand, flick, pose. And now, one last time, faster. And that's it. So let's go, you can do it. Check. 1, circle, 2, and 3. Cross, 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 and cross. Up, circle, circle, down, down, down. Wave, check, hand, pose. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!